Yeah, well, the Wellington Park website didn't list that. This track is closed, so we're just going to do it anyway. And today we're heading from Lenah Valley to Old Farm Road, and we're going to visit a few places like Newtown Falls, Junction Cabin, Myrtle Gully track. Hit track junction. I don't even know if you can read this in the if it's mirrored or not, but Newtown Falls is 25 minutes away, but I reckon we can do that in about 10 because I always beat the Wellington time paces. At the lower tiers of Newtown Falls, and this is like the wimpiest waterfall I've ever seen. We're at the upper tier of the falls now, and I've just been reminded why summer is not a good time to check out waterfalls. Oh wait, it's winter. And the water flow is still terrible. Not long to Junction Cabin. I actually haven't been there for a while, to be honest. Here at Junction Cabin, nice quaint little spot. Might have some lunch here. I actually really like the Myrtle Gully track. It's lots of ferns, quite lush, nice little creek flowing, bridges like this. Yeah, it's a good little walk and a good way to finish. We've still got a couple of waterfalls to go as well. We've made it to Myrtle Gully Falls, which I actually think I read somewhere it's got a new indigenous name, like a dual name. Funnily enough, now Hobart does as well. Pretty low water flow again, like Newtown Falls. And just a hop, skip and a jump down the track from Myrtle Gully Falls is Secret Falls, which, well, it's not really a secret anymore, to be honest. I mean, you just have to look at the damage that's been done by people walking in to get an idea of how popular it is now. So that's what people have done by coming down in, but I mean, it's a pretty nice waterfall. back at Old Farm Road now. Good little walk, I quite enjoyed it. Nice forest, waterfalls were a bit low on water, which I was surprised at, but they were still good scenery, and a little bit shorter the walk than I expected. I will see you next video.
As that line from Shrek, I'm a donkey on the edge.